gonna try there. On the other side, we're gonna go. Ay, ganda naman dito. Langga, oh, ice cream. Pancake house. Pancake house. Langga, pancake. Pancake house, Ate Galieta. Oh, and this is Moss Burger. Ewan ko si King kung nandyan pa. Langga, did you see the place ba? Super nice. So we're going up. We're going lang there. I'm gonna tour you around here lang sa other side of the of the Glorieta pala. Glorieta na tayo, Glorieta, not Grinda. Sabi ni King, why is it a lot of malls there? Oo, maganda si King. Oo. He will gonna shock because there's a lot of malls. Ay, Ate Galieta. Then she is there and then King Salute gonna shock because there's a lot of malls. Sana all. we're gonna go up kasi I have to, I have to flex lang the place going at the other, like the hotel here. So, before I'm there at the other side. But we're going here, guys. Here at the rooftop. The rooftop of the Glorieta Mall. Oh, we're going here. We're gonna try na, tapos bababa na si Queen. Oh, super taas na. I'm here at the 5th level. Nagba to? 5th level. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th or 5th? Wow. Wow, it's super nice. Yeah, we're going up lang here. Wow. It's super nice here, guys. Japantown. Yeah. Ayan o ga. Wow, parang I want. Yeah, this is the hotel ga, oh. The Holiday Suites. Yeah, so they are connecting here also to the Glorieta. Oo. Yeah. Oh, it's super nice. So we're going here at the other side muna, then the other pa. Yeah, you're gonna check. Hi, look now. Nagalap shout out, hello. Wait, sorry, na-hide ko siya. Wait lang. Unhide. Oh, sorry. Sorry, sis. Wait, oh no, sorry. Wait, how can I give you blue jacket? Wait. I'll give you blue jacket. Oh, so, I'm here. Ay, ang ganda, guys. Ay. I'm here at the Glorieta Mall. Pero it's super nice. Wow, ang ganda. Oo. Ikot-ikot lang tayo dito, guys. Wow. Sarap naman dito, Japan. Langga. We're gonna eat here also. What you like? Ay, parang gusto ko tuloy mag-video. Oo, ayan o. Did you see? Happy Lunch, the Japanese restaurant. Dito yung mga Japanese resto. Oh, sarap, guys. Oh, no, nakakatakot to, guys. Oh, no, I can't go here. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I don't want to go there. Baka tayo maano dyan, guys. No, because ay, nakakatakot talaga. I don't like. Ito lang tayo. Sabi ko, bakit? Why is it like, there's a broken, mga broken, siya. Nakakatakot, ayan. But I'm okay now. Good, thank you. Look now. Oh, you're gonna see, this is very nice place. Talaga, this is Makati. The Glorieta Mall. So, we have to go na. Okay na ako dito, guys. Hindi na ako papunta dyan. Nakakatakot talaga. Oh, baka tayo mahulog dyan. Yeah, so this is like, sana all ang ganda. Japantown. Ang cute. Oh, eto ga, this is like the Holiday Hotel, the Holiday Suite Hotel. It's connected also to the Glorieta Mall. This is the Glorieta Mall. So, they can go. Ang ganda din pala dito sa Holiday. Ang ganda. Open sila. Parang close. Oo. Hindi yata ito in-open. Naka-close tong pinto. Baka sa baba lang. May remodel. Nagre-remodel sila. Ang gulo ni Queen. Dito na lang tayo. Last na. Ay, ang ganda. I really like this. I